Gracie from Mobile Middle School, and we are going to be doing the problem -7 plus 12. So this is a negative chip. So this equals -1. So red equals negative, yellow equals positive, so this is +1. And these two cancel each other out because because -1 plus +1 equals 0. So if you do the problem -7 plus 12 like I showed before, you would lay out the chips. So basically what you're doing is 12 minus 7 because you already have 12, but then you also have to add -7, so you just take away 7 from 12. So if you will pair them up, so that equals 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take these all off because that's all 0. Pairs 0. So that equals 5. So your answer would be +5. I'm doing the problem 8 minus -5. So what we do first is we make a line from here. So then you'd rewrite the problem as 8 plus 5 because that sucked. Anyway, the reason why you do that is because if it's negative, you could just make a line to make it a positive because it would equal the same exact thing. So then you have 8 plus 5. But then you wouldn't need this because that would make it just a +5. Then it would be 8 plus 5. So if you take the chips, you just made it 8 plus 5. So then it would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So your answer would be 13. But if you would do it with +8 plus -5, you'd have +8, but you can't just subtract what you don't have. So then you'd have to put this on it with positives. So then you could take away what you have now because all this equals 0 because that's equal to 0, that is, and that is. So if you would take away what you have now, you take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's -5. So then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So your answer would be 13. So today we're going to be doing the problem -3 times -3. So what we would have to do is we have -3 times -3. So just ignore the negative signs. So then it would just be 3 times 3, so that equals 9. But if we focus this on shoes, if you have 2 of the same exact shoes, because they're both negative, so if you have 2 of the same exact shoes, then that equals, and you go somewhere, that equals a good day because you have the same exact shoe. But if you have 2 different types of shoes on, like Converse and Crocs, I don't know, and you wear those and you go out somewhere and then you realize that you are wearing 2 different types of shoes, that would equal a bad day because you're wearing 2 different types of shoes. So if you have a positive times a positive, then you would get a positive number. But if you would get a negative times a positive, that also would equal a negative. So then if you have a negative times a negative, that equals a positive. So what we would end up getting, we have -3 and -3, so that equals a good day because both the same exact shoes, so then you would get +9. So then your answer would be +9.